Hello everybody, welcome back. So this video is slightly out of sequence, but while I was doing some experimentation I noticed this issue, which, well, it could be an issue, so I thought I'd do a quick video. It's regarding the focus blocks as well as this shield. So here's my 10 watt Longer Ray module, and if you look down there you can see the laser. And what I've noticed is if you're doing maintenance, this housing can go on two ways. It can go on that way, and if you look here, this is the wrong way. You can see the laser beam would not be in the middle of the square opening, and if you notice, the back of the shield is almost level with the back plate of the laser. Now the correct way is taking it off and turning it around 90 degrees, and now you can see the laser beam would be center of that really large orifice. And now you'll notice that you can see silver at the back. So if you are doing some maintenance, make sure you get that on the right way, because it could affect your performance. Anyway, that's that way. So the other thing was, I've been working on sidetracking slightly, making my own air assist nozzles. So I started off with something really basic like this, where everything was fixed, and these would say take half an hour to print, 40 minutes, but then I was stuck with this orifice size. So then I thought, Andy, I'm wasting my time here, let's make it changeable. So what I did, I've made a standard body which bolts onto the laser, and I'll show you that. And excuse the paint on my hands, I've been decorating today, I haven't had a shower yet, but I thought this morning I found this issue, so I thought I need to get this video made. So these, so I print this once, but now it's easy for me to print these nozzles, and this is a nozzle with a 2mm orifice. So these now drop in down there. I just use a tool to press it in, it sort of clicks down, and now that is giving me a 2mm nozzle to try, and it does make a lot of. So the way these nozzles are working, you need to take 2 screws out the back of the laser, then it just slides over there, you put 2 screws back in there, you need to get some longer 3mm screws, and then this hole here is where my air assist tube comes in. So that's that one, and then this is the one with the 2mm nozzles. That's how they fit. So once that's on, I still have to take it off to change the nozzle, but it's far quicker than printing these, and that's just a waste of material. I mean, the body is always the same, it's just the orifice which is changing. Difference, because if you haven't seen some of my posts, let's see. So this was no air assist, this was with air assist with a large hole, and this was with air assist with a smaller hole. So I'm talking about the hole in the nozzles I'm making. So you can see no air assist, you're getting not much penetration on the cut, and you're getting lots of brown staining on here. So this is what with no air assist, and this had a 6.5mm hole, so it wasn't this small one. I've yet to really do more testing on this, and as you can see, this is 4mm ply from my local shop. So ignore this low air, because what I'm meaning by low air to me is I was using the 6.5mm hole, so it's giving me low air pressure coming out. I wasn't changing the pump, and I've done a video about the pump I'm using, trying to make it quieter. So you can see it did make a difference on the cutting. Then ignore these numbers here, because I messed up here, I got all my numbers wrong, but it's the same cutting power. So this was a 4mm hole, so this is 6.5 and this is 4mm. and you can see the massive difference it's made on air assist. So that's why I had to develop an easy way for me to change the nozzles. Anyway, getting back to focus, which was the idea of this video. So when you're focusing, they're giving you this block, and I've yet to find out where the focus is. So when you focus on the material, so you put this on your material, you slide the laser down, so this block is hitting this back section here, and that's set in focus. But I need to do more experimentation to see whether the focus point is on top of the material or somewhere within the material. Anyway, I digress. So the reason for this video, and I think this is vital because it makes over 1 millimeter difference in your focus. I'm focusing, no pun intended. So you've got the back plate here, and you've got the laser module here. So the laser module, this is the laser itself. Then I've got a sort of a 3mm section here, and that is this housing. This is the front, and this is the back. But then you've got this back plate. So there's the back plate here, and there's the back plate of the laser. So when you've got your shield on, if I put it on the right way, that's what it would be looking like. Now the problem is, there, can you see, this is the back plate of the laser, which is there, and if I go up over 1 millimeter, this is the housing of the laser. So you've got to be careful. I believe, reading the manual, the focus block should be touching the back plate of the laser here. It's very easy when you're fumbling around trying to put this block behind your laser, changing the 2 screws here, that instead of having it there where it's meant to be, you go 1 mil wrong, and there you can see the gap. So if I put that down, change it around so I can use my other hand. So now that is on the laser itself. So where's my calipers? So if I measure that distance with the calipers, and I need to change the batteries in these, the difference in your focus is 1.24 millimeters on my module here. And I assume they're all the same. They all come out the same factory, built the same way. So just be careful when you're focusing material that either you're going to push it on there every time and then you learn how to do your focus, or you push it actually on the back plate. If you start swapping in between, running the same jobs, you're going to be out of focus. So I just thought I'd throw that video up to help some. If you've got the issues and you think, oh, I've run this job so many times, and why is it not burning through? It's because you're not focusing properly. Anyway, yeah, stay tuned regarding these nozzles. I've got some exciting stuff coming about these. I need to redo cutting on the boards to see how much better the smaller nozzle makes. I'm assuming it will make a huge difference because you'll actually be blowing the wind down into the kerf. But yeah, got lots of exciting things coming up. Anyway, that's Andy saying, yeah, almost good afternoon. If you like what I'm doing and I've earned your trust on this video, maybe you like to subscribe to my channel. It does really help, and commenting below the videos really helps, and I do answer all the comments that I find on the videos. And you may like to see some of these videos popping up here, there and everywhere, wherever they are, up here, down there, who knows. Anyway, let me know what you think. Have you found this video useful? That's Andy wishing you a good afternoon for now.